In the heart of Semarang's aging residential tapestry, where tradition meets transformation, stands the YSH House, a harmonious blend of modern design and familial roots. Adjacent to the architect's parental home, this dwelling narrates a story of continuity, innovation, and intimate spatial poetry. The facade presents a slender west-facing mass, deliberately distanced from neighboring walls to invite natural ventilation. Exposed concrete and brick articulate a raw yet refined aesthetic, grounding the structure in both material honesty and contemporary expression. Constructed with meticulous attention to detail, the YSH House employs a palette of exposed concrete and brick, complemented by terrazzo, teak, and ironwood flooring. This selection not only ensures structural integrity but also weaves a tactile narrative throughout the home. The ground floor unfolds with a carport, guest bedroom, terrace, living area, dining room, kitchen, and service zone, all oriented towards an inner courtyard garden. This central green space becomes the home's breathing heart, infusing each room with light and air. Ascending via a ramp illuminated by a skylight, the journey continues to the second floor, housing the main bedroom, workspace, and a music room. A corridor adorned with wooden grating connects these spaces, casting intricate shadows and evoking a sense of lightness and fluidity. Materiality plays a pivotal role in the YSH House. The juxtaposition of rough and smooth, dark and light, solid and void, crafts an environment that is both dynamic and serene. Each texture and finish contributes to a cohesive yet varied sensory experience. Interior elements are thoughtfully curated to resonate with the architectural language. Minimalist furnishings, natural materials, and subtle color palettes create a tranquil ambience, allowing the architecture to take center stage while providing comfort and functionality. The inner courtyard garden serves as a verdant nucleus, fostering a seamless dialogue between indoor and outdoor spaces. This integration not only enhances the home's microclimate but also reinforces a connection to nature within an urban context. The YSH House stands as a testament to the harmonious fusion of modern design principles with personal heritage. Through its thoughtful spatial arrangements, material choices, and connection to nature, it offers a sanctuary that is both reflective and forward-looking, a true embodiment of architectural poetry.